So welcome to my workspace. I'm going to just show you some of my setup, maybe to give you some ideas and inspiration. So this is my work desk here. I have a drawing board here. It's just a fairly basic fold up type one. But it works really well. It's A3 size, so that's fine for my scale of work. Over here are the pastel pencils and the tools and my dog that I use the most. So these pencils are all up here. So they're ones I use fairly regularly, but then I also have this thing that I bought on Amazon. It's just a wooden cube type thing, comes like that. So all the pencils that I use all the time when I'm drawing, I'll put them in here. And as I start working, they all start to accumulate next to me here. I have some other pastel pencils up here that I might use. These are all my Greta colour collections. They're quite good because they have a good range of colours. On this side of the drawing board, I have my pastel pencil colour chart for reference, and sometimes I will just pop my iPad on there so I can have a look at it while I'm working. Then on this side, I just have a set of plastic drawers that I've just bought from Officeworks, I think. So I store all my pan pastels in here. They're by colour, so these are all the brown shades. Then these are my greys. And the bottom drawer, don't use as much, but they're the more, I suppose, unusual colours that I don't use as often. And these are my soft tools that I use for my pan pastels. And these top ones are empty. And on this side of the room, this is probably where I tend to either do my sketching or my admin work. Up here is my board where I keep track of what I'm doing. And these sets of drawers here are also quite important. They're from IKEA. So the top one, these are all my pastel pencils that, well, the rest of my collection, that's not on the other side that I've shown you. So these are like all the ones from the different sets that I've bought. So they just stay in here by colour. So I've got the yellows, the greens, pinks, reds, blues and purples. And at the back, these are my spare greys. And these are, I'm not sure either. Seem to be spare brown colours. Anyway, they're the ones I don't use as often. So sometimes if I don't have a specific colour that I'm looking for in my go-to collection, then I will have a look if there's something more appropriate in amongst this collection. What else? Paper. And down here in this drawer is my collection of pastel papers. So this side is all my Colourfix Smooth, and this side is my pastel matte collection. So that's that one. So that's a bit of a quick look at my workspace setup. Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer anything, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks for joining me in my studio.